Hi, it's Corey Chambers in Los Angeles. Your home sold guaranteed or I'll buy it. Thanks for taking a minute to listen in. In a moment, we'll share with you some very valuable information about this topic. Real estate recession, that's not it. Let's take a look at today's topic. It's something about Chinese involvement in real estate. There it is. Chinese real estate Los Angeles downtown condo market cools as foreign and domestic investors pull back. Okay. If you see any properties that may be of interest to you, let us know. We will gladly send you a property information packet or make an appointment for a showing in person to see the interior of any property. And also, what else do we have for you today? If you have a home you'd like to sell, you should know that I will guarantee the sale of your present home at a price acceptable to you, or I'll buy it for cash. This guarantee will allow you to buy your next home without worrying about selling your present home. To find out how much you could sell your home for, call me at 213-880-9910 now. In the real estate news, the LA Loft blog recently reported that Chinese companies are pulling out of downtown Los Angeles as real estate developer Greenland decides not to complete the last building in the metropolis condo complex. As other expensive projects are shelved amid construction non-payment lawsuits, Mainland China cannot hide its economic woes. OceanWide Plaza megaproject sits uncompleted, while financially strapped Mainland China developer Quiet seeks a buyout. Bloomberg reported recently that Los Angeles condo sales have cooled as Chinese capital stays at home. I thought we had a link to Bloomberg for this. Anyway, just Google. If you Google Los Angeles condo sales cooled, I think you'll see the Bloomberg article. As Chinese capital stays at home, the real estate market in downtown Los Angeles is taking a hit. It's taking a hit as Chinese cash dries up. Condo sales plunged 31% in the third quarter from a year earlier. Chinese and foreign buyers have made more than 25% of the purchases in downtown Los Angeles in recent years, but tightened restrictions on capital flowing out of China have recently hampered the market. As the trade war between the U.S. and China approaches its second anniversary, Beijing is making it tougher to shift money abroad, imposing capital controls to help stabilize its currency. That has weighed in on the real estate market in several cities, including Los Angeles, New York City, San Francisco, Vancouver, and others. California condos are cooling. Here is a Bloomberg report link. This might be the one that we were trying to mention earlier. Bloomberg confirms earlier the LA Loft blog articles. Basically, we put it out about, 6 months or a year before Bloomberg just released this information. Although the LA Loft blog is more local than Bloomberg, so we should be, the fastest to report these things since we're actually talking to the buyers, sellers, landlords, and renters every day, hundreds of them. Restaurants, shopping, entertainment, and transportation infrastructure has attracted nearly 50,000 new residents since 2000. Tens of thousands of new homes have been built, mostly condos in downtown and loft condominium conversions, while thousands of new apartments and condos are still under construction. This includes thousands of new luxury high-rise units. These expensive upscale condos are suffering the most as mainland China is hit hard by communist capital controls, tariff battles, and economic uncertainty. Investors and other prospective home buyers do not like the value of today's relatively high downtown condo prices. And part of this is because of China's fake economy. The South China Morning Post reported that China is proving to be mired in significant inaccurate financial reporting. China's economic census has uncovered bunches of fake data. As China's cash has dried up, corporate we need to change borrowing and has to say corporate borrowing has soared. Local Chinese officials of Guanghan and other areas have been found to have gone to extraordinary lengths to manipulate raw data to obscure the real financial health of their economy. They reported growth of 9%, while the real growth was likely closer to 0% for the last quarter in mainland China. Americans and other financial connections have access to some of the true data, which gets easier to see as the financial tide goes down to reveal the naked truth of financial struggles. CNBC reports that China's corporate borrowing has shot up while cash flows have deteriorated. China's cash flows have gone down quickly, and new orders continue to fall as well. Shadow banking is making a resurgence as the Communist Party of China attempts new crackdowns on bankers. China's cash flows have rapidly deteriorated recently, as fourth quarter 2019 late payables and late deliverables skyrocketed to the worst level ever recorded. China's woes are likely to worsen before they get better, because new orders continue to fall. Corporate borrowing has risen to unprecedented rates as business loan applications in China shot to an all-time high, with more than 30% of manufacturing, retail, services, and real estate developers needing to borrow money recently. China's communist dictator always has plenty of lowly little individuals for him to pin the blame on and for the Communist Party to use as the scapegoat. Several bankers have been sentenced to death just very recently, in the matter of the last few days, I believe. Trade war affecting China, reviving trend of shadow banking. So borrowing rose in every sector this quarter. China saw overall export orders fall in the second half of 2019 as American tariffs on Chinese goods took effect. With the U.S. and China entering a trade truce this month, President Trump's Phase 1 China deal is expected to help reduce China's economic freefall. Mainland stocks tumble as China cuts tariffs on over 850 products. CNBC reported that mainland Chinese stocks have been tumbling. The Shanghai Composite is down more than 10% since February of 2018 and is down more than 25% from its peak in May of 2015. China just announced a few days ago that it will lower import tariffs on those 850 products as part of the Phase 1 trade deal talks. The trade war armistice, though, may be a little too late for China. The communist-backed semiconductor fund has announced plans to reduce holdings in some tech firms, according to a Reuters report. Tech stocks dropped, and then broader stocks have also just dropped. And that is the news. Find out how much your home is worth. Get a free list of recently sold homes in your area. Fill out the online form. Where is the online form? I don't see it. I think we need to fix the online form. What is this? That's it, but you can click right here, I believe, and you'll get to the online form. In the meantime, I'll try to embed it in here correctly. There it is. There's the online form. Got to fix our network here. Okay, there's the online form. And that's about it. I'm Corey Chambers in Los Angeles. Thanks for taking a look. Oh, we need to show you the last picture that we put in here. That's not the last picture. There it is. That's a metropolis. They just had some minor issues recently with arsonist lighting their hallways on fire and then the sprinklers flooding, so they're fixing that. I originally wrote something that sounded a bit more ominous, but this is happening at the same time that the developer is running out of money. So that is it. I'm Corey Chambers in Los Angeles. Your home sold guaranteed, or I'll buy it. Thank you so much for checking out this article. And if you, as I mentioned earlier, a property information packet of any of these properties or private preview is available upon request. Call 213-880-9910. And thanks again. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.